How to multi-snap on Snapchat on Android phone. Follow these easy steps to easily add multi-snap on your Snapchat. Go ahead and launch the Snapchat app on your Android phone. And now tap on this plus icon. Here scroll down and here you will find this multi-snap option. So all you have to need is tap on multi-snap and then capture multiple snap. Now tap on edit and send. And here we can see my multiple snaps. Now you can easily select any single snap and you will be able to add text to the snap like this, and you will be able to add sticker, and you can also add filters or effects to the snap by tapping here. And now just tap on next and select a contact whom you want to send the snap and tap on send. So this is how we can multi-snap on Snapchat in Android. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.